Is busyness ensuring your productivity? Hi, this is Coach Kamrul Hasan, and today we are going to talk about busy versus productivity. Let me give you some points to think about. This might help you to differentiate between the busy people versus the productive people. The point number one, mission. The busy people, they are really concerned about showing the action. They are not worried about the result they are going to produce. Whereas the productive people, they are not concerned what the other people are thinking about them, what they're showing to the external world. They are really focused on producing the result, and that could differentiate a busy people versus a productive people. Second point to ponder about is priority. Just for an example, 3 different people approached me for 3 different things. One approached me for having a cup of coffee. At the same time, I have very important things to do to ensure the result that I want to create, and someone approached me to go shopping with him. Imagine this situation. If I say yes to all those things, what's going to happen? Will I be able to create the result for my desired project that I want to create? No, certainly I won't. And in order to create this productivity, I have to learn to say no to other things. So that ensures the productivity. So productivity is depending on the priority that you are setting on the task that is coming to you. So what we can understand from this point is the difference between busy people and productive people. Busy people have many priorities, whereas the productive people have fewer priorities. The third point for you is action. Often we see the people around us that are very busy showing the action versus the people, those who are concerned about why they are doing it, what they are doing it, meaning they have the clarity, they want to produce the result, they are not concerned about the action, what they are doing, versus they want to create the result. Let me finish today's video by asking a simple question. Are you a busy person or are you a productive person?